manufacturing operations are generating more data than ever. Some advanced factories produce up to 10 petabytes of data annually. Yet much of this data remains underutilized, limiting the potential of AI-driven transformation. From design to production to supply chain optimization, every aspect of manufacturing is turning to advanced analytics, AI, and even generative AI to boost efficiency, quality, and throughput. But traditional IT infrastructure can't keep up with these demands. That's why smart factories need a new kind of infrastructure. The Dell AI Factory with NVIDIA, powered by PowerScale, brings the performance, scale, and intelligence needed to transform the future of manufacturing. It starts with capturing and processing data at the edge, right on the factory floor, by edge-optimized compute infrastructure. Some of this data may stay on compute devices in your edge environments, running manufacturing applications and managing inferencing tasks, which simplifies operations and enables faster, real-time decision-making. The seamless flow of data between the edge and the data center helps to ensure that AI capabilities are continuously refined and optimized to drive smarter manufacturing. Data from the edge needed for AI training, modeling, analytics, and additional data science activity flows to Dell PowerScale, where AI algorithms are developed and improved before returning to the factory edge. Dell PowerScale delivers the high-performance, scalable, and secure storage required for AI and Gen AI workloads. With metadata enrichment, rapid recovery, and built-in security, your data becomes a strategic asset, not a bottleneck. PowerScale is validated with all major NVIDIA architectures, including NVIDIA Cloud Partner, DGX SuperPOD, and the NVIDIA Certified Storage Program. With Dell and NVIDIA, you can deploy confidently, boost AI performance, and scale across any environment, from factory floor to the data center to the cloud. Transform your factory into an AI-powered, future-ready powerhouse with Dell AI Factory with NVIDIA, powered by PowerScale.